Texas social workers are now allowed to turn down services based on a client's sexual orientation, gender identity, or disability.
That's after the Texas Board of Social Worker Examiners voted unanimously this week to remove those protections from its code of conduct. KXAN's Maggie Glynn reports on the fallout.
We had another young guy come to us in a foster situation, and then he just melded with our family and we decided to adopt him.
Sue Torres and her wife Kelly adopted Larry when he was 15. They've also fostered 2 other children with the help of social workers. When they heard the new guidelines for those workers, they were concerned.
There's so many adolescent kids that are in the foster system that hopefully this new rule won't, put a roadblock to some of those kids getting adopted.
Adoption is just one service affected. Multiple sectors, including mental health providers, employ social workers.
They could impact child welfare. They could impact medical care. They could impact psychiatric care, schools, where there are many school social workers, all sorts of community organizations. The list really goes on.
The National Association of Social Workers calls the change an outrage.
The reality is this sends the message that it's okay to discriminate. And that in and of itself may cause someone not to go for services. They could be afraid of that rejection.
The governor's office recommended dropping the specific language protecting certain classes of people from discrimination to align with existing statute. But the national group says that's just a bare minimum and the state board should do better.
The statutes are there simply to provide a foundation that you build that house of rules upon.
Maggie Glynn, KXAN News.
Social worker advocacy groups are asking the public to sign up to testify in the board next meeting, October 27th, if they think protections for sexual orientation, gender identity, and disability should be added back into the code of conduct. Right now, Texas is one of several states in the country where child welfare agencies are allowed to refuse to place and provide services to LGBTQ people and same-sex couples if it conflicts with the religious beliefs. You can see those states with the yellow explanation signs on this map.